Top 10 Benefits Discovering Moringa, the Superfood of the Future. Welcome to our journey into the miraculous world of Moringa, an ancient superfood with a legacy that spans centuries and continents. In today's video, we'll explore what makes Moringa so special, how its incredible nutritional profile has earned it the title of the Tree of Life in many cultures. We'll delve deep into the science behind its powerhouse of nutrients, vitamins, and antioxidants, discovering how it can potentially benefit everything from our skin to our immune system. Moringa is not just a food. It's a complete package of nutrition. It's like a multivitamin, but in its natural form. We'll travel to the very farms where Moringa is grown sustainably, understanding its environmental impact and its potential in fighting world hunger. And finally, we'll share some delicious recipes and creative ways to incorporate Moringa into your daily life. So join us on this fascinating journey into the heart of Moringa. Let's unlock its secrets together and perhaps discover the superfood of the future. Moringa, also known as the drumstick tree or the horseradish tree, is a plant that is native to parts of Africa and Asia. It has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and has gained popularity in recent years as a superfood due to its rich nutritional content. Below are the top 10 benefits of Moringa, along with details on how to eat it, who can eat it, and potential side effects. Rich in nutrients, Moringa leaves are a rich source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making them a great addition to a balanced diet. They are especially high in vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, calcium, and iron. Boosts immune system. The high levels of antioxidants in Moringa can help strengthen the immune system and protect against harmful free radicals. Improves digestion. Moringa leaves have natural antibacterial properties that can help improve digestion and promote a healthy gut. Enhances skin health. The high levels of vitamin C and vitamin A in Moringa can help improve skin health by promoting collagen production and reducing inflammation. Supports weight management. Moringa leaves are low in calories but high in nutrients, making them a great addition to a weight management plan. Regulates blood sugar levels. Moringa leaves have been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels in people with diabetes by reducing insulin resistance and improving insulin sensitivity. Protects heart health. The antioxidants in Moringa leaves can help protect against heart disease by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. Fights inflammation. Moringa leaves have natural anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation throughout the body. Eases joint pain. Moringa leaves have been shown to help reduce joint pain and inflammation in people with arthritis. Boosts energy levels. The high levels of iron and vitamin C in Moringa leaves can help boost energy levels and reduce fatigue. How to eat Moringa. Moringa leaves can be eaten fresh or dried and can be added to a variety of dishes, including salads, soups, and smoothies. Moringa powder, which is made from dried Moringa leaves, can also be added to foods and drinks. Who can eat Moringa? Moringa is generally safe for most people to eat. However, pregnant women and people with certain medical conditions, such as kidney disease, should consult their healthcare provider before adding Moringa to their diet. Potential side effects. While Moringa is generally safe for most people, it can cause side effects in some individuals, especially when consumed in large amounts. These side effects may include nausea, diarrhea, and stomach upset. Additionally, Moringa leaves contain high levels of vitamin K, which can interfere with certain blood-thinning medications. People taking these medications should consult their healthcare provider before adding Moringa to their diet. It is important to note that while Moringa has many potential health benefits, more research is needed to fully understand its effects on human health. As with any supplement, it is important to consume Moringa in moderation and consult with a healthcare provider before adding it to your diet. Moringa, with its remarkable array of health benefits, has earned its place as a superfood in the world of nutrition. Whether you're looking to fortify your immune system, improve digestion, enhance skin health, or simply increase your overall well-being, Moringa offers a natural and sustainable solution. Remember, as with any supplement, moderation is key. If you have any medical conditions or are taking medications, it's always wise to consult with your healthcare provider before incorporating Moringa into your diet. So, embark on the journey to a healthier lifestyle with Moringa, nature's gift for nourishment and vitality. Embrace this versatile plant in your meals and beverages and enjoy its multitude of benefits. Let Moringa be your ally in the pursuit of better health and well-being. Experience the power of Moringa today and savor the transformative effects it can have on your body and mind. Cheers to a healthier, happier you.